What if I told you that the first hour of your day decides everything? How you feel, how you think, and how you react. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, knew this. Every morning, he prepared his mind, not just his schedule. So let's take his lead. Here are 10 things you can do every morning to become unshakable, focused, and free. 1. Wake up on purpose. Don't hit snooze. The day doesn't start when you feel like it. It starts when you decide it does. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I am rising to do the work of a human being." Wake up at the same time every day. That simple act trains your will. It's your first victory. 2. Begin with stillness. Before grabbing your phone, sit up, breathe, listen to the silence. You don't need noise to start the day. You need awareness. The Stoics called this mastery of the inner citadel. Spend 1 to 5 minutes doing absolutely nothing. Just be present. 3. Read something wise, don't scroll. Read. Open Meditations, Epictetus, Seneca, or any book with truth in it. Just a few lines can shape your entire mindset. What you read in the morning becomes your shield for the day. Start with wisdom, not with worry. 4. Write like a philosopher. Take out a journal and ask yourself, what will I face today? What am I in control of? What virtues will I practice? Patience, courage, or self-control. Journaling isn't about feelings, it's about clarity, and clarity is strength. 5. Reconnect with your purpose. You're not just a worker, you're not just checking boxes. Why are you here? Who are you becoming? The Japanese call this Ikigai, your reason for waking up. Spend a moment remembering yours. A man with a reason can endure anything. 6. Set intentions, not just tasks. You don't need a long to-do list. Just pick 1 to 3 meaningful intentions. Be present in meetings. Finish that important task. Call someone you love. The Stoics weren't obsessed with productivity. They focused on purpose. So should you. 7. Move your body, master your mind. A Stoic knows that the body and mind are linked, so stretch, walk, do push-ups. Not to look good, but to feel strong, to breathe deeply, to wake up fully. Marcus Aurelius trained his body as he trained his mind, with respect. 8. Drink your morning beverage. Slowly coffee, tea, water. Whatever it is, don't chug it while checking emails. Drink it with your full attention, feel the warmth, taste it. This is a form of meditation. Slow moments make a fast life more meaningful. 9. Practice negative visualization. Think of one thing that might go wrong today. Someone interrupts you, you lose something, you get bad news. Now say, if it happens, I will not lose my mind. This is called premeditatio malorum, preparing for the worst. And it makes you calm when others panic. 10. Claim your mind every morning. Say to yourself, I am responsible for my mind. Nothing can disturb it without my permission. You don't control traffic, weather, or people, but you control your judgment. And in that, you are free. These 10 habits won't take more than 30 minutes, but they will shape who you become. Not just productive, not just focused, but calm, courageous, and free. A Stoic, not by name, but by action.